If you're looking to create an extraordinary life filled with choices and to take your property investment plan and strategies and ideas to the next level, then this advanced property investing tutorial is for you. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share 3 very different ideas to take you from where you are today to a life filled with financial freedom, passive income, and choices for the rest of your life. Now, the first idea is the easiest. We simply go out there and buy 3 extremely high quality blue chip properties. Now, these are the ones that we've seen work historically, which means buying houses on 600 square meter blocks in quality suburbs close to Australia's capital cities or close to the beach. Now, in this example, if we go out there and we buy 3 houses worth $800,000 each that rent for somewhere between about $600 and $700 per week, we're going to have $2.4 million worth of property. Now, with this simple strategy to ball out in the future and to not have to worry about anything in your future or retirement financially, in 15 years' time, if we do nothing but hold these 3 properties, they're going to be worth about $4.8 million based on them increasing in value by as little as 5% per annum over that time. Now, if we do nothing but hold those 3 properties in blue chip locations for the next 30 years, those same properties are going to be worth $9.6 million. You add in your super and your savings at that point, and we're talking about retiring in a position where you've got almost $10 million to your name. But obviously, this isn't the only idea, and not everybody wants to play it this safe. So the next 2 ideas are going to be a little bit more aggressive and a little bit more fun. Now, the second idea is also super simple. We effectively go out there and we buy a house and either build a granny flat, or we go out there and find a house and a granny flat that's already been built for $800 per week that's renting for $950 per week. Now, once we've done that first step, and again, some of you may be able to do this in the next 12 months. For others, it could take up to 5 years to buy the second property. But then we go out and do the exact same thing again. So in this instance, we go out there and spend $800,000 and get another $950 per week. So if we add the 2 values of the properties together, today we're sitting on $1.6 million and around about $95,000 per year of rental income. Now, if we look forward 15 years and those 2 houses and 2 granny flats increase in value by 5% per year on average, obviously, there's going to be years that are really bumpy. You'll get a 20% growth year. You'll get flat years. You'll get 5%. You'll get minus 5%. You might even have a few years where you get minus 10 to 15% plus. But the averages of 5% per year is what we're looking for. Your $1.6 million worth of property will be worth $3.2 million, hopefully debt-free at that time if you follow the 5 simple ideas I've talked about in other videos in terms of how to pay off an investment property sooner, and your $95K per year of income increasing by 2.5% per annum over 15 years will give you $137,000 per year of passive income for life. Now, most Australians that invest in property that are serious will accumulate their own home plus at least 2 investment properties over their lifetime. But if you want to ball out, basically every single one of these that you add to your portfolio is going to produce another $50,000 per year of passive income in your future. So I've worked with people that have wanted to do 5 to 6 of these. I've worked with other people where 1 is just more than enough. But if you really want to ball out, then all you have to do is safely and slowly secure 1 asset at a time. That's going to link you to your longer term plan of wealth creation and financial freedom for life. Now, the third idea that I've got is for more advanced investors that have bought properties before. Maybe they've done renovations, maybe they've built properties as well, or maybe they're just in a really strong financial position and looking to do something where they can manufacture or make some equity on the way into the deal. So in this duplex example, and there's many different versions of this, some of them with much higher profit potential than this one. But in this example, we go out to somewhere close to the CBD of Brisbane and spend about $600K buying a nice big property on a nice big piece of land with the home at the front of the block. Then we spend about $50,000 working with the town planner and the council, getting that duplex certified and approved. And then we go out there and we spend $400,000. Now, about $350,000 is going to go into that brand new dwelling out the back. and about 50K is going to go into renovating that place out the front. So new paint job, garden tidy up. We're also talking about things like fans, lights, blinds, painting, some new vinyl look timber flooring or timber flooring, just to give it that appeal and improve its potential a little bit. Now, that total project would cost you just over $1 million or $1,050,000, but on completion right now, this dwelling and this dwelling should be worth roughly $600,000 each, giving you a $150,000 upside on the way in, which means one, you're reducing your risk and improving your asset, but two, you're creating equity, which can get you into the next deal faster without using your own cash. I think regardless of if you choose the first option, which is the 3 blue chip houses, the second option, which is the 2 granny flats, as well as the 2 homes, or this third option, which is going for this duplex style strategy once, 2 or 3 times in a row. Either way, it all comes down to the quality of your plan, the markets that you're choosing to buy in, and the quality of your team of advisors. Now, for those of you out there that like these 3 different ideas or the vibe with one of them, I'd love to offer you a one-on-one strategy session. All you need to do is jump over to www.pumpedonproperty.com, click that free strategy session button. We can talk about where you are now, where you'd like to be longer term, and we can create a plan or share some ideas on how to get you there safely and faster. And then you can take those ideas, go and implement them yourselves, or potentially become one of the extremely small number of clients that we take on each month. But either way, I hope you've got some ideas that you can take away and go and absolutely start balling out and setting yourself, your family up for not just financial freedom and financial peace and an incredible passive income stream for life. But either way, we wish you all the best, guys, and good luck on your journey.
Woo! That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Getting
Have a
cool,
spin.
bro. Yeah. Oh, sweaty. So sweaty. Oh, that's good. Look at that.
So nice, eh?
Oh.